Hello there, this is Cindy at cindybdesigns.com. Thank you for joining me today. I wanted to do a quick intro for you into the June paper pumpkin kit, which you can get refills for it probably next month or so, but you can no longer get this kit unless you're a subscriber. So if you want July's, there's information on my blog about that. The link to the blog post will be below. You want to sign up by no later than July 10th. You have to do it by the 10th of every month. But this is a super fun kit here, and today I'm just going to go through it with you and have additional information over on the blog, like I said, link down below, and show you how I use my paper pumpkin kits. So you're going to see this on Monday. On Tuesday I will go ahead and put these together for you. Thursday we'll do alternatives, and then for Saturday video we will do additional alternatives. And I'm thinking about I do want to bring in this mini curvy keepsakes box and just make some fun treats out of that. So I have not opened this box up yet, but I'm going to show you what comes in it. But before I do that, and why I'm always encouraging you to subscribe to this, pick up a year subscription, because I always keep this information here, which is the directions that you get with every paper pumpkin box or kit. And right up, you can see immediately what comes in the kit. And you know that these labels are going to be here. Sailboats, the Parapizzazz round circles, the card bases, the envelopes. You're going to have twine included in there and sequins. And this is what I use. And I keep it for a year, and I will just look at the front of this. If I am missing something on my card, or I need something that is not in the catalog or any current publications, even if it's down to an envelope, twine, and we all remember March is cute as can be, like those boots, and you can cut these apart if you want to. And it just steps your cards up a notch. So there's so much that you can do with it. I only have 10 in this stack because there's 2 kits, I think October, November. I just used all the way up. And so here's February 2020. And I know I'm going to get those little card fronts there, or that panel that we don't have a die cut for. The rounded envelopes. And this panel here with the little flags on it, which you know I'm a big fan of, and these foam sentiments that already have the adhesive on back. Same thing for Valentine's Day. You get the cute little bags, and I can cut them down and attach it to a card front, like a tag card or something. And here's November or December, and then September's. I kept the clothespins, and you can open up these boxes and use them as panels for something to back a card at. Cut down a treat bag and use this craft cardstock. I've used those as tags before. That crushed curry ribbon is awesome. And we've seen this one. So what I do when I get my new paper pumpkin kit is I save my paper pumpkin newsletters that come from Stampin Up. And on there you can print out a sheet to go into our stamp case, and you have to cut it down, and I print this out on regular Whisper White, and you cut it down to 10.5 this way by 7. So what I do every month is I will take the previous year's stamp set. This is the Little Smile from June 2019. I just pop it all out. And this is already cut down. And then I just go ahead and put in, I'm at a funky angle here. I go ahead and put in the new insert, label insert. And there we go. After I straighten it up a little bit. And it's really that simple. So I'm going to I cut the seal on it, but I haven't opened it up yet. And then this here, this will go into my buy one, get one free. And I do have leftovers for this. And I will include that in there. I'll just pop it in there as well. So for this month, it comes in this cute box. And they've been doing that lately. Like here is May's. And I've already wrapped this up as a gift for my neighbor, Joanne. And I just got to run it down to her. And I do have a separate blog post on this through the wrapping process, the whole 9 yards, and you can see the cards I made and everything like that. I will most likely do the same thing for this, but what you are going to get is, there's the stamp set, so I'm just going to go ahead and pop this in here. And a lot of times I'll keep the leftovers in the case if it doesn't get too bulky. So you're going to get a basic black, is this archival? Yes, it is. Stampin' Spot. And to open it, and I will keep this here and add it on top of the other inserts or brochures I showed you. But this is a sample right here, how you can dress up the box, and there's always leftovers, like always. And a lot of the times I will go ahead and save the cardboard too, because it's very thick. This thing is wrapped tight. It's really thick, and you can cut that down to make little post-it note pads with, and it's super sturdy. Again, set this aside. There's always some nice coordinating tissue on the inside of the boxes. So we are going to get these, and it tells you in the kit what you're going to get right here on the back page. And let's see, we got the stamp set, archival stamping spot, card bases with gold foil, envelopes with gold foil, die cuts with gold foil, printed die cuts with gold foil, a lot of die cuts obviously, because these were really easy to put together. Die cut stickers, adhesive back sequins, mini dimensionals, and adhesive dots. So, and it tells you the coordinating colors too, which is basic black, crushed curry, gold, poppy parade, shaded spruce, and winter white. Which means these are going to be crushed curry sequins, and we don't have them in the regular catalog. So I will save this, and that way when I add it to another project, I know exactly what kit it comes from just by looking at this. So what else do we get? Mini Stampin' Dimensionals, like I said. Here's the adhesive dots, and again, I always save them. So here are our card fronts, and we're going to get several of those. I'll just go ahead and show you real quick. There's the gold. It's kind of like a very funky tie-dye pattern. And here's our gold labels. These don't have adhesive on the back. These are the sticker labels. That is very cool. And this is what is going to go, or they have as a sample, to go on top of the box here. We just cover up the paper pumpkin. And I love that, because this to me is like a staple, stripes. Really love these labels. And are they sticky? Yeah, they are sticky. And I love this watercolor effect here, and the lemons. These you will have to hear down, but you get five of these sheets. So yeah, lots of things to do. And these are just going to be the envelopes, and they're cute as can be. So that is how I set up my paper pumpkin every month. And this, like I said, this is going to be a short video. You'll see the projects tomorrow up close and personal on the blog. I'll do alternatives on Thursday. And join me on Saturday for a video with more alternatives And don't forget to subscribe to this. It's invaluable, a lot of fun, and enjoy. So I will see you again tomorrow. Have a great day. Thank you for joining me today. God bless. Bye.